I have some data here. This is the Titanic dataset. I've imported it and then I use the head function to view the first 5 lines or the first 5 rows of my dataset. And then now I want to get a feel of the data. So I want some summary statistics of the dataset. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call upon the describe function. df.describe and then open close parenthesis. And then if I run this, you'll see that it's giving me the summary statistics, the count, the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum value, the maximum value, and then the 25th percentile, 50th percentile, and the 75th percentile. But it's giving me the summary statistics of only the numeric variables, which makes sense because there is no standard deviation for a list of names, for example. But this function does come with some arguments that you can pass inside the parenthesis, like include all. And this attempts to give you the summary statistics of everything, including the name, which is not useful. So I'm just going to remove this. And then I run this. Now we're back to something that makes sense. But if we're being honest, the passenger ID isn't something that you want to summarize. You also don't want to summarize this binary variable survived or even these categorical variables. You don't really want a standard deviation or an average of a categorical variable. It doesn't make sense. So I will just get the summary statistics of only the age and the fare, because those are the only numeric variables, which are the variables that you can get summary statistics for, or at least summary statistics that have meaning for. So this is now me restricting my data frame to just age and fare, and then I go describe, and then I run this, and now you can see that the count 714, this means that age has got some missing values because the number of entries in this list is 891. So age has got some missing values. The average age is just above 29 years. The standard deviation is 14. The mean is just below 6 months of age. There's the 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and the oldest passenger is 8 years old. We can do the same analysis for fare as well. But the gist of it is that the describe function is used to get the summary statistics of the numeric variables in your dataset.